Most people think discipline is about having more willpower. It's not. If discipline relied on motivation, nobody would stay consistent. Motivation comes and goes. Some days you feel unstoppable. Other days you don't even want to get out of bed. The people who seem disciplined aren't stronger than you. They've just built systems that make success the default. Instead of forcing themselves to make the right decision every day, they've designed their lives so the right decision is the easiest one. Here are the 5 systems that make discipline almost effortless. System 1. Design your environment. Your environment is stronger than your motivation. Think about it. If your phone is sitting beside you while you're trying to study, you'll probably end up scrolling. If junk food is sitting on your counter, eventually you'll eat it, not because you're weak, because your environment is constantly influencing your decisions. Disciplined people understand this. They don't rely on self-control. They remove temptation before it becomes a problem. Put your phone in another room. Lay your gym clothes out the night before. Keep a book on your desk instead of your phone. Make good habits obvious. Make bad habits invisible. When your environment works for you instead of against you, discipline becomes much easier. System 2. Become the type of person who focuses on identity. Most people focus on outcomes. I want better grades. I want to get stronger. I want to stop procrastinating. But disciplined people focus on identity. Instead of saying, I want to work out, they say, I'm someone who never skips workouts. Instead of saying, I want to read more, they become a reader. Every action you take is casting a vote for the person you're becoming. Skip your workout. You vote for being someone who quits. Finish your workout. You vote for being disciplined. Your habits shape your identity, and eventually your identity shapes your habits. System 3. Never wait to feel ready. This is where most people fail. They wait until they feel motivated. Tomorrow, Monday, next month after exams. But action creates motivation, not the other way around. The hardest part isn't doing the work, it's starting. So make the starting point ridiculously easy. Instead of saying, I'm going to study for 3 hours, tell yourself, I'm just going to study for 2 minutes. Instead of saying, I'm running 5 kilometers, tell yourself, I'm putting my shoes on. Once you've started, your brain naturally wants to continue. Momentum is one of the most powerful forces you can create. Use it. System 4. Make discipline. Rewarding your brain repeats what it enjoys. That's why social media is addictive. Every swipe gives your brain another tiny reward, so why not use that psychology for yourself? Track your workouts. Cross days off on a calendar. Watch your streak grow. Celebrate consistency, not perfection. When you begin associating progress with satisfaction, discipline stops feeling like punishment. It starts feeling rewarding, and that's when habits stick. System 5. Never miss twice. Here's something nobody tells you. Disciplined people fail. They skip workouts, they procrastinate, they have bad days. The difference is, they never let one mistake become 2. One bad meal doesn't ruin your diet. One missed workout doesn't ruin your progress. One lazy day doesn't ruin your future. What destroys people isn't failure. It's giving themselves permission to keep failing. Missing once is human. Missing twice is the beginning of a habit. Protect your momentum. Always get back on track immediately. Here's the truth. Discipline isn't about becoming a different person overnight. It's about building systems that make becoming that person inevitable. Success starts happening automatically. Now you know how to build discipline, but discipline is only half the equation. If you want to become truly unrecognizable this summer, click on the video you see on screen. And if you're serious about becoming unrecognizable, subscribe to Ascend.